Hello, as a quick look at the 3M Worktunes earmuffs here. We're going to do a quick unboxing. So these are supposed to be great. So hearing protection, I got these for my riding lawnmower, mowing about an acre, and it gets loud after a while. So let's go ahead and give it a look. These are Bluetooth, about 24 decibel noise rating reduction. Go ahead, open it up here. And here you are. They feel pretty nice. Here are the insides. Got some nice cushion there. So hopefully they're comfortable, fully adjustable. And what do we have in terms of, we've got the USB, I assume, for charging. And there looks to be another headphone jack port. Maybe a mic jack, I'm not sure. So that's it. And of course, the Worktunes instructions. And you get a little USB cable here. So USB-A on one end. And what is this? USB mini? Mini USB? I can't remember. There's so many different USB connections now. But that is it. Quick unboxing. And I like how they feel. So we'll go ahead and let's see. They should fold up. Well, no, they don't. They don't really fold up unless I'm doing something wrong. I'm not going to force it. These should go. Here we go. So they were in their lowest position. So you can see both sides. There we go. So there you have it. They feel good. They've got good reviews. Here looks to be a power button. Let's see, do they have any juice? Not sure. But again, these are also, I didn't mention, these are Bluetooth. So the idea is you can have hearing protection, but also listen to some tunes or podcasts or what have you while you're outside and not subject to the constant noise of the mower. All right. We'll follow up with a review after this.